Just when everyone thought Toyota had gone silent, it launched its biggest move yet, and now, honestly, everything is about to change. While other automakers were busy showing off with stage lights and fancy presentations, Toyota was quietly working behind the scenes. No leaks, no teasers, and, well, no hype, just a silent storm. And now, the whole industry is shaking. Then came the moment no one expected. Toyota's CEO made a statement that sent a jolt through every boardroom in the auto world. This was not a normal press release, it was a declaration of intent. The statement, "Our new dynamic force engine will destroy the competition," changed everything in a single line. According to insiders, this new engine does not just power hybrids, it reinvents them by breaking past the limits of conventional combustion engines to deliver higher performance, better efficiency, and cleaner operation. That is exactly why every major automaker from Tesla to Ford to BYD is now watching Toyota closely. So, what exactly is this dynamic force engine? What makes it such a bold and game-changing move? And why has it created waves of tension among Toyota's biggest rivals? Let us dive in. Before we get into the engine itself, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss a major breakthrough in the world of automotive technology. Now, to understand Toyota's decision, we need to look at its mindset and why it refuses to abandon the gasoline engine even when the rest of the world is chasing electric dreams. While most automakers are racing to plug in their next EV, Toyota is taking a different path. Instead of following trends, it is perfecting its legacy, refining its engine technology, and unveiling a new generation under the dynamic force name. But here's the real question. When big players like Tesla, BYD, and Ford are investing billions into electric vehicles, why is Toyota still developing traditional engines? The answer lies in Toyota's long-term vision. The company is not just reacting to the present, it is preparing for the future. Toyota understands that electric vehicles are the next step forward, but not the final one. The shift to EVs is happening, but not everywhere and not at the same pace. Many major regions such as South Asia, Africa, and parts of the Middle East still lack reliable charging infrastructure and stable electricity networks. For millions of drivers in these markets, EVs remain expensive and inconvenient. That is why Toyota is betting on what it calls the multi-pathway strategy. The idea is simple. One solution does not fit all. Every market has its own needs, and Toyota wants to meet them all. This strategy includes electric vehicles, hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and even hydrogen technology. The dynamic force engine is a vital piece of that vision. This engine is built to deliver more power while using less fuel, producing fewer emissions, and lasting longer than ever before. It is aimed at drivers who cannot switch to electric yet but still want advanced performance and modern efficiency. Another reason Toyota is confident in this approach is its long-standing reputation for reliability. Toyota engines are known to last for years, sometimes decades, without failure. That trust allows the company to keep pushing internal combustion technology forward instead of giving it up entirely. And Toyota's success with hybrids like the Prius proves that combining petrol and electric power can be a perfect bridge between old and new. In many countries where charging stations are still rare, hybrids remain the smartest option. Toyota's engineers have also improved the way their petrol engines breathe, burn fuel, and manage heat. The dynamic force engine optimizes airflow, increases compression ratios, and improves thermal control, all to achieve better performance with less environmental impact. For Toyota, this is not just about keeping gasoline alive, it is about reinventing it. The company wants to prove that thinking electric only is too narrow, and that intelligent engine design still has a massive role to play in the future of mobility. The dynamic force lineup is not a minor upgrade. It is part of Toyota's global design system that makes cars lighter, stronger, and more efficient. It enhances performance, simplifies production, and brings consistency across models. While, other brands are going all in on electric, Toyota believes the smartest future is one where electric and combustion technologies evolve together. Their goal is clear: to deliver powerful, efficient, and affordable vehicles that fit the real needs of drivers around the world. Toyota has already shaken up the automobile industry with its dynamic force engine, but this is just the beginning. The real question now is, what will be Toyota's next big thing? Is Toyota developing a super hybrid that combines the power of petrol, the efficiency of electric, and the future readiness of hydrogen? We can get the answer to this question from Toyota's thinking, its research, and its upcoming projects. First, let us talk about the solid-state battery. Toyota has been working on solid-state batteries for the last several years. These batteries are quite different and much more advanced than today's lithium-ion batteries. They contain solid material instead of a liquid electrolyte, which makes them safer, more durable, and capable of faster charging. Toyota claims that their solid-state batteries can extend the range of an EV to 1,000 kilometers on a single charge and can be charged in just 10 minutes. Now imagine what happens if Toyota mixes this technology with their dynamic force engine. We get a super hybrid that not only delivers high efficiency, but also does not require frequent charging. When the EV mode is required, the solid-state battery will be active, and when power or long drives are required, the dynamic force engine will kick in. This means no worries about charging infrastructure, no EV range issues, and no petrol engine low-efficiency problem. With this super hybrid, Toyota can create a segment that is neither completely EV nor completely fuel-based, but a combination of the best of both. Looking beyond the engine and the battery, Toyota's vision encompasses a complete rethinking of the vehicle's role in our lives and in society. The company is investing heavily in connected car technology and autonomous driving systems, aiming to create a seamless and safer driving experience. Imagine a car that not only chooses the most efficient power source for your journey, be it electric for your city commute, hybrid for a weekend trip, or hydrogen for a long-haul adventure, but also drives itself, communicates with other vehicles to optimize traffic flow, and integrates with your smart home and schedule. This is the holistic ecosystem Toyota is building, where the powertrain is just one intelligent component of a much larger, smarter machine. Furthermore, Toyota's commitment to sustainability extends beyond tailpipe emissions. The company is pioneering new methods in sustainable manufacturing, from using recycled and plant-based materials in its interiors to developing carbon-neutral production plants. The goal is a circular economy where vehicles are not just efficient to run, but are also built and eventually recycled with minimal environmental impact. This end-to-end approach to eco-friendliness is a crucial part of the multi-pathway strategy, ensuring that regardless of how a car is powered, its entire life cycle is as clean as possible. Now let us talk about hydrogen technology. Toyota has already shown the world that hydrogen fuel cells are a strong option with cars like the Mirai. Hydrogen-powered cars are extremely clean for the environment as they emit only water, and now Toyota is preparing to take its dynamic force engine to that level. According to some recent reports, Toyota's R&D team is testing the dynamic force engine to run directly on hydrogen, meaning hydrogen will be burned directly in the engine instead of through a fuel cell. This will not only provide power, but also retain the feel of a traditional engine without the CO2 emission. Now imagine what it would be called if a dynamic force engine, solid-state battery, and hydrogen options were available in the same car. The ultimate hybrid triple power machine, or maybe the definition of the future itself, would change. This is Toyota's strategy. While other companies are running in just one direction, Toyota is preparing to catch the future from all sides by balancing EV, hybrid, hydrogen, and combustion technology, creating an option that fits all markets, especially in countries where EVs are not yet fully practical. This super hybrid technology will make people not feel the need for EVs. Also, this technology will be so flexible that no matter which fuel becomes dominant in the future, Toyota will be prepared. The company's engineers have already said that in the next 5 years, Toyota can introduce a car that can use solid-state batteries, dynamic force engines, and hydrogen. If this proves to be true, Toyota will not only change the rules of the auto industry but will give a new face to technology itself. In the end, it would not be wrong to say that Toyota's next big thing will not be just a car, but a whole new idea. And when it comes, other companies will probably have to return to the starting line of the race once again. If you want to be the first to know more technology insights like this, do not forget to subscribe to the channel because the future starts now.